Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so you can see we've been talking about this steady march to the upside. You see the upper band here. You see the 9-day that it's riding. When we talked yesterday, we were in the process, this is an hourly chart, of testing the weekly pivot. So it's going to be important. The weekly pivot became support. We put a midday video out yesterday showing that what we had done with that. We basically got long against 90. Rode that up, did well on that, and then it came and it made it converted our proprietary upper level, so that allowed us to get long again right around the 2,800, right around the round number, and take that up for some highs. We were long overnight, and we took profits into the highs. I actually just got stopped out at 28.10. So what I'm going to do here is watch this come in. I think 28.08 is a key area. Daily pivot is going to be a key area. But the bottom line is, if weekly pivot wants to be support early in the week, as we get into today, into tomorrow, and into Friday, unless there is a significant break by which 91 goes resistance, you're going to likely get directional pricing to the upside over the next 2-3 days. It may be a very slow bleed. It may be frustrating, but it's not something that if it wants to do it, it's not something I would be particularly interested in fighting. So I'm looking for them to walk this back in a little bit, but ultimately for this dip to be bought and to take out 16.5 over the course of the day. Converting daily pivot, keeping the hourly mid-band there that's right around 28.13 converted to resistance. That would be a sign that, that there's a short trade there that can get you more than, either a couple of handles or get you stopped out. So yesterday was one of those situations where if you did what we talked about and you paid attention to the weekly pivot and you saw what it did, you could have had a very good day yesterday. The reason the day set up the way it did after it bounced off a weekly pivot is because a number of people, sorry about that, fought this all the way up. And squeezed and added and got squeezed and added and that whole mess. Look, anybody that's traded for any period of time, you know what it's like to fight price. There was a lot of price fighting yesterday. What I'm saying to you is, if daily pivot holds and it starts to go up again, there will be more price fighting. Don't fight price. Don't fight price. Price, risk, and get on board with whichever side on whatever particular day wants to take it either up or down. It's a much easier way to trade. It's a much easier way to spend your day. And if you're out there and you're struggling and you're looking for someplace to spend your day where we do things like we did yesterday and we're not fighting and doing other stuff, and come check us out. It's a great time to start. It's summer, so it's a little slower than it gets in the fall and it was in the spring. So a lot of chances to sit down and learn with a lot of really great people. So that's my 30-second plug for the day. So I'll be out with a midday update over on Instagram and Twitter in a little bit. Watch 13, watch daily pivot, roundy if we get there, over 16.5, opens 23. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.